Hi yogis, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into Locust Pose, and it is also known as Salabhasana. This posture will strengthen your entire body and boost energy in just few breaths. So let's begin. So first we will lie down to the ground and we will put our hands under our hip bones. It might be uncomfortable at first, but try to find a place to the hands where at least it's not painful. So close your eyes, and now what we're gonna do, we're gently lifting our both legs. Legs are hip wide apart. And our head is gently coming off the ground as well. And now just let's breathe here for a moment. And if your lower back feels any kind of pinches or pains, then just let the legs lower. So here we're working with our Muladhara, our root chakra. This is locating at the base of the spine, and this has very grounding benefits. Secondly, we're working with our Svadhisthana chakra here, and this is activated through opening the front hips and lower belly, and this chakra supports our creativity, our emotional flow, and also the pelvic balance. And thirdly, here we're working with solar plexus, our Manipura. This is in the upper abdominal core, and this is activated through the strong core engagement as we are lifting the chest, as we are lifting the legs. So the benefits here, we are enhancing the willpower, the confidence, and of course the inner power. And whenever during the practice you feel like you want to rest, then you can take pauses and go and try again and lift the legs up again. And now we're going to start with our affirmations. I am grounded, stable, and supported. My foundation is strong. I feel safe in my body. I embrace my creativity and flow with ease. I honor my emotions and allow them to move freely. I welcome pleasure, joy, and openness. I am strong. I am confident and capable. My inner fire fuels my purpose. I stand in my power with courage. I am a pure being. I am a pure soul. I am a powerful soul. I am calm and stable always. Things always work out for my highest good. With each experience, only good can come to me. I am a royal soul. My mind is pure. My body is pure. My body is pure. I'm perfect healthy. I am always happy. Being happy is natural for me. It is natural for me that things always work out. All is well with me. Thank you so much. Thank yourself for giving this beautiful, nurturing energy to yourself. And I hope to see you again. Have a beautiful day. Bye.